for today, again, to make sure that you guys are, at Athletes for Computer Science, we've partnered with code.org and their open source curriculum because it's a great platform for computer science fundamentals. It's a great platform to be able to get kids introduced to computer science in a way that's fun, and they're getting the exposure to a new skill, but it's something that's engaging, and they kind of enjoy doing it. And there's so much competition for our kids' attention. You want to be able to put something in front of them that they'll enjoy, that that they're getting something positive from. So I'm going to go to my screen share here. So once you sign in, you can go here you can go and you can click learn. And again, they have things set up here as K through 5, 6 through 12. You're going to focus more on the K through 5. And K through 5, again, is designed for K through 5. But if you have a 7th or 8th or 9th grader who's had no experience to computer science, this curriculum will be very relevant to that child. And again, we've taught classes up to 7th, 8th grade, and the kids really enjoyed the curriculum. So you can go here. Once you click K5, then you can see the courses, and then again, I'm going to kind of explain here again from our experience and working with our students, working with our college students who teach, who've taught our classes. Just kind of, we've been through the trial and error of what works and what fits for what age group. All right, so if your child is like K through 2nd, maybe 3rd grade, course A again is for pre-readers. So again, if your kid hasn't quite gotten up to speed yet with reading, or even if they are a reading on a good level, Course A is a great course to kind of get them started. Again, they get a feel for the concepts. They get a feel for how to use the platform with Course A. So again, you can from K through 2nd, maybe 3rd grade, you can start with Course A. Course B, it will be more from 2nd to 3rd grade. So again, especially if your kid spends a lot of time on the computer, they have a good feel for how to navigate a computer or how to navigate an iPad or a tablet. Course B will be a good place to start for 2nd through 4th grade. Again, if they've had no experience with coding or no experience with really working with computer science, 2nd through 4th grade, Course B will be a good place for them to start. Course C, from 3rd through 5th grade, Course C will be a good place for them to start. Again, they're able to kind of comprehend a little bit more at that age. So the puzzles get a little bit more intricate. It adds an extra step into the course curriculum. So again, if they're 4th through 6th grade, it'd be good to start with Course C, and then they can just and then from there, they can just kind of build from Course C to Course D to Course E to Course F. But I would start them with Course C. Again, if you have a child that's interested and they're from 4th to 6th grade, and so from 6th grade to 9th grade, they could start with Course D. Again, it'd be a good place for them to start. It will be engaging. It'll be challenging, like from the jump. They'll be challenged to really kind of dive into the concepts from the jump. So you're being able to get them going, get them interested, but at the same time, it's not too easy where they don't feel challenged. And if they don't feel challenged, then they kind of will step away from it. So again, from 6th through 9th grade, I would start them with Course D. So again, just to kind of recap here, with K through 2nd grade, Course A, The 2nd through 4th grade, you can start with course B. 4th through 6th, you can start with course C. And 6th through 9th, you can start with course D. And again, that has just been our experience from how we've worked with our students. And then once they start there, again, they can continue to build from that course. And you can decide whether you want them doing this, every other day, once a week. Again, the younger they are, I wouldn't wouldn't press it on them too much to where they get tired of it. But just being able to sprinkle this in there, especially if they're doing summer school or even when school starts back, to have this kind of be a part of their school day, I think would be a good start for your kid. So again, these will be the courses that you were starting with. Again, if you go in here, so we'll go into course C. You'll see kind of the lessons that pop up. Again, we have lessons here on digital citizenship, so them really learning how to get an introduction to how they interact with others online. We know, online bullying, social media bullying, teen suicide has been a big issue because, again, a lot of our young people, they're on social media, they're on the internet, they're getting judged, they make a mistake, it's out there for the world to see before they're really young enough, before they're really old enough to kind of really handle those emotions. So, just really getting them that introduction to digital citizenship, these unplugged activities. Again, they're activities that don't require a computer. Even if you're not going to do these activities, watching the videos to get the introduction to the concepts, I think would be awesome. So, just making sure they're getting just the introduction to a lot of these different concepts, not just learning how to code, but really understanding the overall concept of technology, how we're connected, how those devices work, understanding the need for security and securing their data and securing who they are online, because again, all of our data, everything that we are, a lot of times is online somewhere. Everything, everywhere we've lived, people that we've known, places we've been, is all online. So having an awareness of how to move, how to interact with others, internet security is huge. And again, these lessons will introduce all of those concepts in a way that a kid can understand it. So again, they'll skip the unplugged activities. Each one of these lessons that they go into, there will be a video that introduces that concept. So if I go in here to our first lesson here, so this video, and I won't play the video here because sometimes the videos, they may lag if you're doing them over a video conference, but there's going to be a video that introduces each step of the lesson. So again, parents, not something you have to deal with. Once you get them started and once you get them going, hey, there's videos to introduce the concepts. They can always go back and watch those videos if they need to refresh on whatever that concept is. Throughout the lessons, there'll be videos that kind of introduce the next step of the concept. So, it's really designed for them to be able to go through it on their own with a little bit of support and encouragement. So again, they can go here, it'll track their progress through the entire way. And then they'll just keep going. And again, the unplugged activities, they'll watch those videos. They won't do those activities unless they're activities that you want to do with them as a parent at home. But they won't actually do those activities. They'll just watch the videos and they'll just go through. and and go through and finish the course. Once they finish this course, then they can go on to the next course. So again, it's a way for you to keep your child that's really, really relevant, uh, and I think that can really help them just kind of develop their computational thinking and the way they think, uh, thinking about how they solve problems, thinking about uh, kind of what they want to do and what they want to be, and what they want to pursue in their education. Yeah, and if you're seeing this video, after the live feed, again, you can contact me at info@afcsnow.com. Again, you can contact us at info@afcsnow.com. And any questions that you may have, any inquiries you want to make about what we're doing with our program and what will be the next thing that we're doing and how you can be involved. Again, you can contact me at info@afcsnow.com, and we'll try to take care of those questions for you. All right. Well, again, thank you to everybody for supporting us through this program. Hopefully we provided some value for you and your child. Again, just continue to keep them involved, and be on the lookout for our programs that are coming up here this summer. All right. Thanks.